Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 solo travel destinations you can't miss. Get ready to explore some of the most breathtaking places on Earth. We start this journey in Tokyo, which is a haven for solo travelers, offering a blend of ultra-modern and traditional experiences. With low crime rates, it's one of the safest cities globally. Explore districts like Shibuya and Shinjuku, or find peace in the historic Asakusa and the beautiful Shinjuku Gyoen Gardens. Don't miss out on a traditional tea ceremony. We now visit Lisbon, which welcomes solo adventurers with open arms. Wander through the charming streets of Alfama and Bairro Alto, visit historic landmarks like the Belém Tower, and soak in the stunning views from the city's many viewpoints. Immerse yourself in the local culture with fado music. We are on a stopover on our way to the next destination. Ever thought about exploring the world of fascinating facts and intriguing stories? Check out our sister channel, Curiosity Chapters. At Curiosity Chapters, you'll find a treasure trove of videos covering a wide range of topics, from the mysteries of ancient civilizations to the latest scientific discoveries. Whether you're interested in history, science, or just love learning new and quirky facts, there's something for everyone. Join us as we explore the most mysterious landmarks from around the world, uncover the hidden secrets of mathematics, and even delve into the surprising truths about everyday phenomena. Each video is designed to spark your curiosity and expand your knowledge in a fun and engaging way. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Curiosity Chapters when we conclude our journey of the top 5 destinations for solo travelers. When you visit our sister channel, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all their latest content. Let's embark on this journey of discovery together. Final call as we head to the next destination. We now arrive in Canada, where Vancouver awaits. Vancouver's friendly atmosphere and low crime rates make it an ideal spot for solo travelers. Explore vibrant neighborhoods like Gastown and Granville Island, hike in the beautiful Stanley Park, and take a trip to Whistler. Discover the diverse culinary scene. After an overnight flight, we arrive at Reykjavik, Iceland. Consistently ranking as one of the safest countries, Iceland is a solo traveler's dream. In Reykjavik, experience the breathtaking landscapes of Thingvellir National Park, relax in the Blue Lagoon, and chase the northern lights. After the beauty that Iceland offers, the 5th and final destination on this journey is Melbourne, Australia. Melbourne offers a safe and welcoming environment for solo travelers. Wander through its vibrant laneways filled with street art, visit the Royal Botanic Gardens, and take a scenic drive along the Great Ocean Road. Enjoy the city's diverse culture with live music events and museums. So there you have it, our top 5 destinations for solo travelers. Each city offers something unique, from safety and activities to rich cultural experiences. Which destination will you explore next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration with our latest uploads. Also, be sure to visit our sister channel, Curiosity Chapters. The link is in the description below.